Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kids Time. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make this ottoman velvet stool with the waste materials at your home. So keep watching and let's start the video. These are the all materials that I have used in this video to make this stool. I didn't have too much cotton at home, so I have used the filling from an old pillow for this. Here you can see I am using the old clothes as filling because I ran out of the cardboard boxes. And I needed too much of the filling for this, so I have used old clothes. You can use old clothes as well. It works great. You can see how I have used it. Because I don't have a heavy duty stapler, so I am using pins here to fix the fabric. I am not removing the pins before pasting the zinc aluminium sheet. With the help of this aluminium sheet, our fabric will be fixed. It will be sealed locked. And also because I have made this tool for my kids, so because of this sheet, it will not move too much. Like it will not be slippery. It will fix on the floor wherever we put it. Now beauty time of our stool. These pins are the last moment addition, so it's not necessary to add this in presentation because I am very excited about this part always. So I use whatever is available at home. So this was the last moment addition. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys like it. More interesting videos will be uploaded soon. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'll be soon with you guys with my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home and goodbye.